Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. Russian forces launched a massive drone and missile attack on Ukraine early Monday morning, targeting multiple regions across the country. The assault, which began around midnight and continues, appears to be the largest in weeks, focusing on Ukraine's energy infrastructure. According to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, Russia employed over 100 missiles and around 100 drones in the strikes. Efforts are underway nationwide to mitigate the effects of the Russian attack. In Kyiv, explosions were reported, and some areas experienced disruptions to their power supply. The Ukrainian Air Force stated that multiple groups of Russian drones approached various regions, including eastern, northern, southern, and central areas, followed by cruise and ballistic missiles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.